Alright, today we are going to be fixing this. My right blinker does not work. And how I found that out was that when I would put my blinker on to go left, it would blink abnormally fast. Weird, right? So, if it's blinking really fast, I would just go out and check all your lights, make sure they're working. Go ahead and turn this off before I get started. All you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver and your new bulbs. Got these from AutoZone. They're the expensive ones. We're just gonna go ahead and take these off. Good grief. There we go. Alright, once you have both screws out, you should be able to just like pop it out of place. I know there's a clip in here somewhere. So you kind of just got to pull it straight off, straight back. And then what we're looking for is the blinker, which is the bottom one. And usually just twist it and it comes right out. Go ahead and take this bulb out. That usually just pops out. Look at that. And then we can put our brand new one in. All right, let's see if I can do this with one hand. This is the brand new bulb. It's gonna go in just like this. All right, and then once we have this back in, we'll do the exact opposite. So put it in. How was it? And then twist. All right, and that's not going anywhere. So we'll just put this right back in here. If you have time, maybe clean this up a little bit. All right, now for the most part, it's decently clean. This gives me some peace of mind. Let's put this thing back in there. So just do the exact opposite. I didn't clean this out. I plan to do one of those, one of the long strips that you could just like the Cadillac, the long lights. I don't know. Anyway, just snap this right back in. So line it up and then push it straight on so you can see those clips are in where they're supposed to be. And just push it straight on. Make a little bit of a snap. And then we can just put these screws right back in and then we're done. We'll do the other side, just so we have both brand new blinkers, and then we'll be done. All right, let's see if they both work. That one does not. And that one does not either. Alright, so I just took this one and I flipped it around and now it works. It's polarity sensitive. So I'll show you on the other one. I'll just flip it around and hope it works. Alright, so let's take this out. And then all you gotta do is There we go. So it goes like this in there. We're just gonna turn it around like this. And this is also why we double check that everything's working before we reinstall everything. Let's go ahead and do that. So you see that one's working. And you see this one's working. So all it is the polarities, which basically means that you put it in the wrong way. All right, so after everything's in, I realized that it still blinks really fast. But I'm pretty sure it does still work. See, it is working. And then your bulbs are going to be the 4157. It says 3057 and 4057 as well, which I think might be why it's blinking fast, even with the right bulb in. But you know what? People will get the idea that I'm turning. So that's all that matters. Please subscribe to this channel so that my family doesn't have to starve anymore. And like and comment and share it with a friend who has a 2010 Suburban or Tahoe. And then comment down below your favorite like style of cat, like feral or domestic or long hair, short hair, hairless, Sphinx, Oriental, etc. Lions, panthers, pink panthers. Put it down in the comments below so that I can feed my family. Goodbye.